let us make a domain, which is found right here, construct domain, and the start is going to be -10 and the end is going to be 10. So if we deconstruct, which is right here, deconstruct domain, you notice that it goes from -10 to 10. Now, I want to create 5 numbers from this range or this domain. And if you look at the output, they come positives, negatives, positives, etc. That's what the random will do. If you want to change those values, you can shake those values and they are all over here. Now, here is the interesting part. I only want the positive value. So I could go to math, operation, and I could select absolute. So if I connect all these numbers and I get only the positive part of those values, notice that all of them are positive. So there are some cases in which you need only positive numbers, and you can get them from this component, absolute, which is right here, absolute.